Today's video, we're going to give you a very brief overview of us installing the pergola. We'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. And if you haven't already, my name's Josh. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. We have a lot more coming. Here we go. Today we're installing a 10 by 13 manual version of the Hanso Pergola. Everything came separate. We have some of the posts all separate. This is the tool you're going to use to close and open the slats for the roof. We have these bolts, expansion bolts they gave us, gear pivot pins, locking nuts, screws. All this comes complimentary with this, so you're definitely going to want your own tools to put it together. It comes with an instruction manual that's pretty straightforward about mounting different items. We have put this post together with the header piece. It required a couple of bolts at the top, putting the other header together. So we've done this probably within 35 minutes or less. The install time requires about 3 hours. Very easy to install. Another reason why I highly recommend. Right now we're working on the gutter system. This is piece labeled piece E, and everything rolls to the edges. And what's going to happen here is this water is going to be collected, taken into the post, and at the bottom here, what you're going to see is a weep hole that allows for water to escape. So.
All right, guys, we're finishing up on the pergola here, doing the final details, putting these little clips in, and then there's a bar that goes across so everything flows as one. All of the water gets pushed down into these seams, falls into this channel here. So right now I'm installing the track system that I spoke of earlier. It allows us to use this function here, turn it, and open up and let sunlight in.